guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, we're filming some GameMaker basics. And yes, what today what we're going to do is that that we're gonna make some games. Yep, and today they want to make space shooter games. And if you guys don't know about space shooter, is a game that you use a ship that you shoot the enemy ships and then you go on to the game. So in order to make games, we actually need sprites. So we actually, so this is our sprite here. So we kind of like import here, and you see that we actually import ship here, and you see the spaceship. And also, if you guys want to actually want sprites, then later in the end, sorry, in the description, I'll send a link to the ship, so if you want to make the exact shape. So in last video, we actually don't now know how to make sprites and also objects, and then we actually go create here. But there's just one problem. So you can see that our ships here. This is our guns, but and we actually want a tilted part here. So why? So why does it tilt? Well, it's actually we actually to fix this. It's actually very simple. You actually need to make a career member. Well, actually execute a piece of code, and here actually this logo right here, and when you see, then just kind of drag it into, and then type image angle equals 90, and just like this, and it will itself turn it, and it will itself turn it up with no expansions, no no expansions or stuff. So in order to make a ship fully move, actually actually need this part here, key left, key press left, key press right here. It's actually very simple here. You just kind of like have to make it both right and down. There. You guys know that. So I'm gonna go to key left here, key press left, and we're gonna use two crucial, also the most important, and it's speed and directions, which is all those two crucial code. Oh, and also, well, you can see key press right here. But why this is 180 and left? Well, exactly. We actually use some kind of directions like this. So this is 0, which is 360. This is 90. This is 80, and this is 270. So in left, we actually turn left. We actually kind of like this and like that. It's turn left, and but in right, we actually turn this. Actually turn to this. You guys know it. All right. You see here that we actually delete stuff here. Why we add the image angle right here? Let's write 65, but this is 9. So we actually kind of make this ships about like tilted. So we just kind of went plus here, like so plus here. There's n kind of 90. So this is so 360 is 20, and then kind of like to make this is uh 30. Alright, so 45. C9 plus 45, and we actually wanted the ship that when we turn is also gonna tilt it the ship, which is kind of like you're running the car. You turn the steering wheel, the cars also turn, the wheels also turn as well. And to make it realistic as possible, we're gonna apply it to the ship as well. So we're just gonna display it. Alright, we're now in the game here, and then we just kind of like turn here. Why doesn't it move? Alright, you see that it actually turns up right here when it's keep pressing as here. So we just kind of have to. Oh, wait. So I'm gonna test it, and then there's nothing. Oh wait, I actually have a problem here. And this is image angle 65 here. It's a good piece of code. It actually does not allow. Yeah, so we just kind of like 120. So we're actually gonna change here and then play it. So let's just play it. And now you can see that when it moves, oh wait, You'll see that when it moves, you will see the ship is moving. See the ship is moving. And now you can see here that the ship is actually moving. Our ship is now moving. And now you can see that's our basic ships. But and now we actually want to code it to lasers. So we just kind of like add here. And here are lasers here, and then we're at collision blocks. So manual, and then we just kind of like get the student laser that, and then drag it and like this. And see, this is a laser, don't shiny effect, and then we actually don't need it like that. We actually don't need to rename it. So because we'll name it for a better name, just kind of like that, and then we'll name this obj underscore bullet, or you just name laser, and then we just kind of like drag this right here, here, and but before actually we're gonna go back to obj ship, and then we're actually gonna open our editor, and then actually need to add another event. It's called mouse, and then we'll choose the left pressed event, kind of like when you pressed it, it will shoot. Okay. Then we actually want to create an instance. Create instance. We want to create an instances. This is our instance here, and we'll choose our objects. Actually, wanted to object here, and also on the left as well. And the target here, you guys just let it know. Let's say this. Yeah, you guys can let it know. You see that our instances is here. Here we want to create it and move it with it. Target is up. It's obj underscore ship. Yeah, and this we don't put the temporary, but you know. And alright, when we're done here, we're gonna go test play it. You see that we actually have a bit error here that we can actually set an object ship. So we actually need to code. We actually code here and which is which is another code called instance create. Wait, I spelled depth. And you see this is a kind of code as well as you see it. And then we actually want to make this and then like x and then y, and then we want the objects. We want obj and obj bullet. So what we this is this is obj bullet, which is actually very crucial. And also add this kind of like Alright, actually let's just alright, so actually we actually did it wrong. Like that. This is our object bullet, and we want to test play it. Now in the game here, and then we're gonna click here, and click left press here, and actually left press, and we actually didn't run the code. So why doesn't run code? Because we actually Y here, X Y here. So it's actually a problem, but we actually gonna save it to the next port. Save it next port, and we'll fix this in other ports. So if you guys know how to make games or stuff, be sure to hit that thumbs up button if you guys want more game tutorial. And I'll see you next time. Bye.